This season, in the month of July, we're right in the middle of the summer in California. The sun is pretty hot, intense, and it's very dry. And it's gonna get worse. It's gonna get hotter, and it's gonna get much drier, which is very aggravating. In this season, we have the season of pitta, which is the bile element, and that's because it contains the properties of being hot, being light, and being hot, light, and dry, or wet. Actually, it's kind of wet in the first half of the summer. So I was just thinking about the three qualities of hot, wet, and light, which is what pitta is supposed to represent. And I'm noticing that we already had the hot increase, we already had hotness, and we already had some wetness too in the earlier part of the summer. But now, since we're approaching the later part of the summer, it's becoming more light. So I'm feeling more lightheaded, for example, in this season, because, for example, when I get up too fast, I become lightheaded. If I smoke more than 3 or 4 hits, I get lightheaded. So that represents the fact that we're moving into the later part of the summer, which is where lightness is increased. Because lightness is a property it shares with the gas humor, which is the fall. The soon is going to be fall, which we have a very hot Indian summer for fall. So there's going to be more of lightness, and then it's going to get more dry, and then it's going to get more cold as we approach the winter, and that's the gas humor. But currently we're ending the bile humor, so we have the humors of, we have the qualities of lightness, penetrating qualities of the summer, and hot qualities of the summer. We're noticing them all. We're not noticing so much the wet qualities of the summer, because that's slowly changing as we're moving towards the bile humor, which will be here in September probably. So July, August is going to be the last 2 months where it's going to be very light. Make sure not to move too fast, because or do anything that makes you more light. For example, heavy activity. So just take it easy, take it gentle, stay reclined, stay laid back, and that way your body will be heavy and your mind will not get light and get influenced and blown away, blown with the wind. Alright, later.